What if I told you that referring someone to a program could change both of your lives, not just with a reward, but with growth, connection, and new possibilities? It's not just about earning a holiday, it's about creating a ripple effect of transformation. Meet James and Maria, two lifelong friends and entrepreneurs. When James referred Maria to the ET Academy Virtual Mastermind, he never expected that it would lead to both of them enjoying a holiday in New Zealand. More importantly, Maria launched a new product line and doubled her client base, while James felt the joy of giving something truly valuable. This is what happens when you share knowledge with somebody who's ready to grow. And at the C4C Referral Program, this isn't just a way for earning a vacation, it's a way to help others unlock their potential, to build deeper trust and connection, to reinforce your own learning journey, and to be part of a culture of growth. As author Brené Brown says, connection is why we're here. It gives purpose and meaning to our lives. Your referral is more than just a link. It's an invitation to grow together. So if you want to do more than just earn a reward, if you want to make real impact, this is your chance. Click on the link in the notes below and join the C4C Referral Program today and start sharing what you love with the people who matter. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.